Hey, welcome back. This short video is called the Tableau menu bar in 11 easy menu items. So basically I'm going to go over the menu for Tableau. Um, there's two really ways to interact with Tableau. One is using the mouse and one is using the menu bar. As you see here, when you use a mouse, most Tableau work can be done by interacting with items using your mouse. Very convenient. However, if you want to dig in some more, there's also a menu bar at the top. It lets you access additional features and settings. And I'm going to go over some of the useful menu items within Tableau. There are a number of them, 11 of them. First 6, 1, File menu, 2, Data menu, 3, Worksheet menu, 4, Dashboard menu, 5, Story menu, 6, Analysis menu, 7, Map menu, 8, Format menu, 9, Server menu, 10, Window menu, 11, Help menu, help, I need somebody help. For File menu, it contains some really key functions, such as opening a file, saving it, or saving as. Another great function is printing to PDF. That lets you export worksheets and dashboards as PDF files, so you can use them if you need to print them up later on, or read them offline. Repository location, that lets you look up and change the default location for Tableau files on your machine. So if you want to reorganize your files, you can also do export as version. That lets you create workbooks for colleagues who might be using an older version of Tableau Desktop. So that helps them keep up with you if you're on a newer version. Number 2, the data menu. The insert functions are a really key one. By using insert, you can present a quick and ad hoc way to add a data table, for example, from a website. Select and copy the table in the original document and click insert in Tableau. This will add the data to your workbook as a new data source. So it's great, you can add new types of data, for example, from a website quite easily. Number 3 is the worksheet menu. Two functions here you might want to look at. Export. You can take your data out of Tableau by creating an image of it, a database file, or an Excel crosstab. So those are all quite useful too, depending on your needs. You can also duplicate as crosstab. That helps you open up a new worksheet in Tableau and shows a crosstab view of your visualization data. So depending on what you need to do in terms of looking at a spreadsheet. Number 4, the dashboard menu. For dashboard actions, you can add interactivity to your dashboards, and you can set them up and edit them by clicking on actions. So that way you can include various functions like filters, highlights, and URL actions. Again, so you can make your dashboard more interactive depending on your needs. Number 5, story menus. The story menu lets you create a story from the worksheets and dashboards. When you have a story, the content is arranged sequentially for presentation and enriched with various annotations. So you can annotate your visualization to give it more detail. Number 6, the analysis menu. So you can create and edit calculated fields. This will help you find options for editing table layouts if you have tables. Well, almost always you're going to have tables. You'll also find options for showing grand totals, forecasts, and trend lines. So various ways to summarize and display your data. Number 7, the map menu. You can choose between different types of backgrounds for your maps with different types of color schemes. You also have an offline option, which is great if you're traveling, or when you have no internet connection and want to access built-in cartographic materials. So you can work on maps on the go. Number 8, the format menu. This is pretty basic, like most spreadsheets. You can change or set the font, the alignment, shading, and other formatting options with the information and data you're interacting with. You can also set your overall workbook design and adjust cell sizes, etc., etc. Number 9, server menu. The server menu lets you share your dashboards via a couple of different ways: Tableau Online, Tableau Server, or Tableau Public. You can also create, there's a thing called Create User Filter submenu, and you can set audience-specific filters that grant specific users or user groups access to selected subsets of the data, so that you might not want to have all of your data available to everyone. You might want to specify who gets what if you're working in a business that have multiple teams using your data for multiple ways and your visualizations in multiple ways. The window menu. This has a thing called presentation mode, and you can use this option to use full screen for presentation for your dashboard to make it look big and fabulous and great. Finally, you have a help menu. You have access to various ways to help you get assistance, Tableau's online help, training videos, and sample workbooks. You can also do a thing called Start Performance Recording. This option in the Settings and Performance submenu helps you analyze the processing time of your dashboard. So you can see if your dashboard's not loading so well, this will help you like maybe tweak the settings to make it a little bit perform a little bit faster and quicker. So again, your 11 easy menu items that we just went over: File, Data, Worksheet, Dashboard, Story, Analysis, Map, Format, Server, Window, and Help. Thanks for watching. That was the TableauMenuBar in 11 easy menu items. Hopefully I'll see you again in another video. Take care.